chance to speak at the 75th anniversary of an organization. So give me a few more minutes than allocated. I'd like to again welcome you all and just acknowledge some of our special guests tonight. Of course, we have Bishop Ver, our chairman. We have our former and present LICO board members who are here with us tonight as well. And we have 6 former presidents with us tonight. I'll ask them to stand up. I'll name them and ask them to stand up. Of course, we have President Tita De Villa, our 10th LICO president. We have President Ernie Bordeos, our 14th LICO president. President Linda Tacorda, our 15th LICO president. President Baby Go, our 18th LICO president. And President Marita Wasan, our 20th LICO president. And President Roquel Ponte, our 21st LICO president. So we've had 23. I'm number 23. So we have 23 so far. And tomorrow we will have number 24. Good luck to you. Okay. It's a lot of work. Okay, happy 75th anniversary. It takes a lot of perseverance and dedication to reach 75 years. And even we've seen a lot of changes, as you've seen through the video that we showed. There have been a lot of changes over 75 years. And I think those are expected in any organization to reach more than 7 decades. And I'm glad that we have changed through the times. And through the different changes that LICO has experienced over more than 7 decades, we can learn a few things. And I'll just go through a few things that I've learned that I want to share with you as well. And we'll go through the different names that LICO has been through. Before 1950, it was Centro Católico. And what does that mean for us as laity today? We must be the center for all laity activities. We're the Catholic laity after all. We used to be the only Catholic nation in Asia. Now there's East Timor. But we see that the Catholic population in the Philippines is decreasing. But why is that? When we should be the center of all Catholic activity in the Philippines. So it's a challenge to you, my brothers and sisters. In the 1950s, we became Catholic Action. And I think what we can learn from that is we need to act. We know how to pray. We know how to go to Mass. We know how to have retreats and recollections. But we have to learn how to act. Speak up. We hear ghost projects. We hear flood control. Us as LICO, we need to speak up and act. And then we became the Council of the Laity in 1975. And that just tells us that we should be more cooperative. We should collaborate with one another even more, and we need to work together. In the many historical and in the history of LICO, in organizations, in our dioceses, there have been many conflicts, and we've heard of many conflicts along the many years, and we've been experienced that many conflicts within our organizations and within each other as well. But we need to go beyond those conflicts and work together in order to really achieve our goal. And now we are LICO, Tagalog, Filipino. So we need to be the ones to really make a difference here in the Philippines. So after 75 years, after all our history, there's still so much for us to offer and so much that we can still do if we all do it together. So tonight, as we celebrate our 75th year, go mingle, go make more connections, because we still have many, many more decades to go where we will all work together and make sure that the Catholic voice is heard once again here in the Philippines. Thank you and good night.